Hey, happy trading. Let's go over the trades we had today. Let's first set it up. Oh, no. Let's go over the trades today. Uh, okay. Now I have everything set up. First trade, Exxon. So we took this thinking, hey, flat state flat state, Fab 4, right position. And then we waited till we had a takeover here, right before. Got in here, went against this, went here, we got out. So yesterday, not yesterday, but just I guess yesterday emphasized it. But the closer this bar is to here, the better the play is to go forward. And the tighter the Fab Four is, the greater chance for you to get a larger move. Because if you think about it, this one started from here. This is the initial move. So by the time I got in, we were at the end of the move, and I was expecting more. So I saw the play initially, like right here, and I was debating on getting in, but I was like, no, that's not really an elephant bar. I guess what was mentioned today is you can get in after a minute. After the first minute, you can get in. The first minute you want to avoid. So I was jumping in like 30 seconds and it was going way against me. So a minute 15, a minute 30, all those are good times that you could enter that first bar, and that might have got us here or here. But at least that way we would have saw, okay, that's a pretty large move. Um, that is a very large move, so we can't expect too much. But that's neither here nor there. That was just the main lesson learned on the first opening play. Let's go through the rest for the day. This seems to be some type of resistance point. Uh, you get a red bar takeout here, stop above. Probably would have got out here, but you got to the point anyway. Leave a lot. Position of power. Keep in mind, play that up. And again, seems to be some type of resistance right here. Um, so off the 20, we play that down. There seems to be resistance here. We're going to play that up because remember, position of power. Can it break that? Looks like it wants to try. And one, two, three. Get out there. And that would have been nice because that was kind of area of resistance. We hopped in here. This would have been a better buy because that's the bull 180. But we got out here, so we saw that resistance still. So that was a good positive trade. Looks like we could have stayed in it, got more. Here's the downward move off the 20. We got out here. Now, the reason we got out here is basically we bought in here, we got out all of our shares but one, and then we went and took a nap. Took a nap and came back here, and that was still there. The game plan was supposed to you buy here, leave one lot, and then on that move, get back everything back in one and let that. That was supposed to be the plan, but it didn't work out that way. Here is neither here nor there. That just explains that. Um, Now that's a pretty serious drop. This is a pretty serious drop. And for that to get little to no follow through and a green takeout and a color change on top of a hidden color change, you would buy into that. One, two, three, get out. Keep in mind leg one, leg two. Now we can sell there. One, two, three. Probably get out here. That's the end of the day. Okay, so the next one is JPM. We have okay, no, there's one more lesson I want to highlight in this one. The lesson we want to highlight here, we were trading with Oliver and someone mentioned XOM like it was a good one to go, and I thought so too because it's in my trading list, flat 200. And then we had an elephant bar off of it. What Oliver highlighted is this state, although flat, it's kind of like that. So if it was more like this, we could expect a larger move. But because it was like that, the move started so much lower and had to go through so much to get here, then go through that, then go through there. Now get all the way up here. So that's why I was exhausted. This would have been a well like that and not a okay. So next one is Chase. This is an easy one. Same kind of ordeal. Flat state, elephant bar, off previous close, 200. You buy into that and you see how close that is. It still started here. So if it started here, you could say one, two, three, get out, right? But it's hard to do that in real life. We're in real time. So you could just say, hey, elephant off of it from here. About 50%, that's get in, get out. And really the sell is right here. What we ended up doing is we did a buy here and we got out here. right when this sell bar takes out this green bar, which is a great sell. We're getting out of the position, but it's an even better like sell with the stop here and ride that to here, leave a lot on. Keep in mind position of power. We're playing this up. Play that up. Didn't work. Play this one up. We ended up doing it and got out real quick. Let's see what would happen if we didn't get out. It eventually took off. One, two, and that's what we're really looking for. The whale. Uh, that's a sell to here. Probably only going to play this one down if you get a chance. Might stay up there all day just because it looks like okay. Stop. Nope. Didn't really get anything. Oh, maybe. Not really. Yeah, that one might have been just avoid it the rest of the day with this wide state. There might just probably other opportunities to play.